how's your first month been, Geeta, of 2021?
So the year has started with a bang, if I can say, and I have been experiencing that this year has to be much better than the previous year, and I will take all the learnings of the previous year and apply to this year. So it's like one chapter closed or one book completed, and now I start a new one. So for me, it's been another great experiences where I could spend some time which I wanted to spend with myself to know what I have done so far and what I would like to do and what are the resources I have to do it. So it is not just like I will think, oh, I should do this or I can do this. So exactly what I want to do instead of what I can do. So what exactly I want to do, and I started writing my story and also writing the content from the website. I started planning for goals. I started talking to my coaches and started sharing the setting goals template with them, had certain calls with them. So yeah, it's been a great start, and I'm really looking forward to the 11 months of 2021 now with great
Fantastic.
endeavor. Yeah.
That sounds like a very busy first month of the year. A lot of productivity and
Yes.
constructive thought
Yeah.
process.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Very. And yeah. And the other thing, like today also, when I was just thinking about what I have done, like, when 1 month gets over, I think, okay, what I have done in the previous month and what I would like to do the next month or what is in my plan. So another achievement, what I saw with myself is that I was able to sort of take my whole history of life, career wise, personal wise, and I could put that into a very format. I didn't have to think of something which I didn't like it, which happened. So I just focused on the good memories, on the good situations, and all the achievements what I achieved. So yeah, I think I really felt really good about it.
That's really good, and I guess we all viewers we all should learn from it because all the happy memories and good memories that we can all encapsulate in our life. When we move
Hmm.
forward, we have more positivity, we have more optimism.
Here I would like to add, there's a lot of my NLP trainings what I have done. So when I'm even talking about it, or any of us are thinking about any of the good memory, it brings us into a very resourceful state.
Hmm.
So we are like empowered, and this helps us to do the next whatever we want to do. So we are able to make decisions, we are able to make plans, we are able to implement them, execute them. So that's what the whole process is, how you can always be in a very resourceful state. I'm sure it is not possible all the time. However, if you know the strategy behind it, like, if I do this, or if I talk to somebody, or I listen to certain songs or music, or, I just write down something. So, how does my internal state change? So, that is
Hmm.
what really helps us to, move ahead all the time. Like, we can be consistent in that.
True, true. You're so right. We need to have something that really helps us to jump out of that comfort zone and come back to the vision board that if we may call it so, that
Yes,
this is what I want to achieve, and
yes,
something to
yes,
invigorate us again from that slumber to get going again.
yes, yes. So it is like how you have snooze, or you put an alarm, so you should know, okay, now I'm in this mode. I need to be in a better mode. So how can we do it? So I think that helps a lot.
Right, right.
Hi friends, thanks for watching this video. I hope you could relate to it, and I shall appreciate if you'd like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm so excited to announce my program, Every Conversation Matters. The one-to-one coaching sessions as per your agenda to achieve your outcomes. Think, feel and act. Connect with me by sending an email to gita@workofdesign.com and book your time slot now. Thank you, and God bless us all.